Topic 1. Government shutdown impacts U.S. airlines with over 2,700 daily flight cancellations. The U.S. government shutdown is significantly affecting the airline industry. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy warned that air traffic could almost come to a halt during the Thanksgiving travel season. Due to the shutdown, air traffic controllers are not receiving pay and are not reporting to work, leading the FAA to order reductions in flights at major airports. On Sunday alone, over 20,700 flights were cancelled and more than 10,000 were delayed. The FAA plans to gradually increase flight reductions by up to 10% by November 14th, which is expected to cause further disruptions during the Thanksgiving travel season. Duffy cautioned that if the shutdown continues, air traffic could worsen, potentially leading to more flight cancellations as controllers remain unpaid, prompting many travelers to seek alternative transportation, resulting in a surge in demand for private jets. Topic 2. Tesla faces leadership change with departure of key executive from Cybertruck division. Tesla's Cybertruck division is experiencing a leadership change as key executive Siddhant Awasthi has decided to leave the company after 8 years. Awasthi began as an intern and contributed to various projects, including the expansion of Model 3 production, the Gigafactory Shanghai project, the development of new electronic and wireless architecture, and the launch of the Cybertruck. His departure comes at a time when Tesla has recalled over 63,000 Cybertrucks due to headlight issues and more than 46,000 due to external panel problems. Tesla has seen a decline in profits for 4 consecutive quarters, with third-quarter revenue down 37% year-over-year. Despite these challenges, Elon Musk received approval for a plan that could grant him $1 trillion worth of stock if performance targets are met, indicating that investors still have confidence in Musk despite the company's struggles. Topic 3. Visa and MasterCard agree to reduce merchant fees, impacting transaction costs. Visa and MasterCard have reached an agreement to reduce merchant fees, which could impact transaction costs. The two companies have been embroiled in lawsuits from retailers for the past 20 years, alleging that they fixed the prices of fees paid by merchants for credit card usage. The agreement includes a 0.1% reduction in fees over the next 5 years and provides merchants with the option to refuse premium cards that impose higher fees. This agreement must be approved by the court and could bring significant changes for retailers and consumers. Visa and MasterCard stated that this agreement would offer more flexibility and choices to retailers. Topic 4. Senate actions avert government shutdown. Stocks rise reflecting investor optimism. On November 7, 2025, active trading occurred on the New York Stock Exchange as the Senate voted on a potential agreement to avert a government shutdown. This led to a rise in the stock market, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average increasing by 240 points, 0.5%, the S&P 500 rising by 1%, and the Nasdaq gaining 1.6%. The Senate passed a short-term funding bill with a narrow 60-40 vote during a rare Sunday session. This is a crucial step toward ending the government shutdown, which is expected to positively impact the economy. Once the shutdown ends, federal employees will regain their jobs and pay, revitalizing the U.S. economy. Additionally, the resumption of government data collection and reporting will allow investors to monitor inflation and employment reports. The Federal Reserve is set to announce its decision on interest rates early next month. Topic 5. China introduces its version of the H-1B visa to attract foreign tech talent. China has introduced a new K-visa program to attract foreign science and technology talent. This visa is similar to the US H-1B visa and has relaxed requirements, allowing applicants to apply before receiving a job offer. This move comes as the US has tightened immigration policies, making it harder